By the time you finish this video, you'll know how to pick yourself up after a hard year of job hunting and move forward without feeling tired, angry, or stuck. Let's be honest for a moment. A lot of South Africans had a really rough time looking for work. You sent CVs, you checked your email every day, you waited for calls that never came, and after a while, that silence starts feeling tough. It makes you question yourself, even when deep down you know you are trying your best. Before we go further, if this kind of honest career talk helps you, make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss videos like this every week. This channel is here to help you move forward, not judge you. Now, before we talk about how to bounce back, there are a few things we need to clear up first. If your job search did not go well, it does not mean you are lazy. It does not mean you are useless. It does not mean you are behind in life. It just means the job market was tough and you were moving inside it without the right tools or direction. And before we get into the main point, I also want to say this. Many people struggle to bounce back because their CVs and interview answers do not really show what they can do. That alone can block good opportunities. That's why I created the Job Hunters Toolkit, to help you present yourself better so that employers actually take you seriously. You'll find the link in the description if you want to check it out. Now, let's get into how you bounce back properly. Step 1. Stop letting one bad year define you. One of the hardest things about a bad job search is how personal it feels. When things don't work, your mind starts telling you stories like, maybe I'm not good enough, or maybe it's just not meant for me. That thinking is dangerous, and a bad year is just a bad year. It does not describe who you are or what you are capable of. It only describes the conditions you were dealing with. If you carry disappointment into the next season, it shows in your confidence, your energy, and how you answer questions in interviews. Bouncing back starts when you decide that this year does not get to decide your future. Step 2. Look back at the year, but do it properly. There is a difference between looking back and beating yourself up. Beating yourself up keeps you stuck. Looking back with honesty helps you move forward. Ask yourself simple questions. Where did things feel the hardest? Was it getting interviews? Was it answering questions? Was it not knowing which jobs to apply for? Maybe you were just tired and applying without focus. You don't need to fix everything at once. You just need to find the biggest problem and start there. That alone can make the next year feel lighter. Step 3. Get your confidence back through small actions. A lot of people wait until they feel confident again before they do anything. That almost never works. Confidence comes from when you take small steps. Fix one section of your CV. Practice interview answers at home. Learn one small skill online. Even small actions remind you that you can still move forward. You don't need motivation. You need movement. Step number 4. Change how you measure progress. If the only thing that makes you feel okay is a job offer, you will feel bad for a long time. That's just how the market is right now. Instead, start looking at things that you can control. Are your CVs better than before? Are you clearer when you speak about yourself? Are you applying with more intention instead of desperation? Progress does not always show up loudly. Sometimes it shows up quietly before the results follow. Step number 5, stop comparing yourself to other people. Seeing other people get jobs while you are still waiting, it hurts. That's normal. But comparing yourself to them will only drain you. You don't know their full story. You don't know who helped them, how long they waited, or what they struggled with privately. Focus on your lane. Focus on your next step. That is where your power is. Step number 6, go into the next year with a simple plan. You don't need a big plan or a perfect plan. You just need a clear plan. Know what kind of job you want. Decide one skill you want to improve. Make sure your CV and interview answers make sense. Speak to people when you can. Small plans are easier to follow and they keep you moving even on hard days. That's how you bounce back without burning out again. A tough year does not mean you are finished. It means you learned some lessons the hard way. And if you use those lessons, the next season can look very differently. If this video helped you even a little bit, hit the like button so that more South Africans can see it. And let me know in the comments what you are going to focus on fixing first. My name is Alec and this is 360 Careers, helping you grow, show up, and get hired. Let's go.